Hi my lovely viewers, this is Salavative Word Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set or insert communication icons in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case we have to open any kinds of Microsoft Word file. So in this file already I have opened it before. So go to the insert options, then click the icons. It requires few times, so lots of icons has been presented here. So here the communication icons, click here, see the lots of communication icon has been presented. So select multiple or single. I will select it multiple, so inside then it has come. So we'll work one or two, that's why we will keep in one, and rest of the things has been deleted. See, so for this case we will do the layout option. So how that we can move it easily, so move with text, so press this. See, we can move it easily, as well as we can increase or decrease the size. See this. So now we will do the graphics format. So how it works, so here the graphics format, so go to the graphics field. See, the color has been changed. Also we will do the more field colors standard way as well as the customs way. So click this, we can increase or decrease the color size. See this color, this is the current color here, as well as if we change the new color. See, and we have to obviously press the OK button. Click OK. See, the color has been changed. Now we will do the graphics outline. So here we have to click. Before that we have to mark or selected these options or selected this icon, any icon. So theme color here have, see, we'll give the black sign, we will get it properly or clearly. Now here we can change the weighted or sign this icon. See the decrease size as well as the increasing size. See, now we will also do the dashes sign. See the dashes sign, dashes option. See, now we'll do the graphics effects, how it would work. Before that I declared that mark this or select this. Now we will set, or this is the perspective, reflection. See the reflection, glow, glow, bevel this way, and the finally 3D rotation. See, in this way we can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.